Good morning, students. Myself, Savita Alfred, welcomes you in e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Students, today I am going to teach you Chapter 2, Wild Duck. Before starting the story, I would like to give introduction of author of this lesson. The author of this lesson is Romesh Guneshkara. Romesh Guneshkara was born in Sri Lanka and lives in Britain. Having spent his early years in Sri Lanka, he explores many aspects of his native land in his writings. His fiction has been translated into many languages. So students, do you like birds? Yes, everybody likes bird. Everybody enjoy watching birds. Some of them have passion to see the birds. Start our chapter with the word meaning of this lesson. He moved his arm in a wide sweep. Means he opened his arms out in a swift, wide, curving movement. Barrel of his gun means the part of gun through which a bullet is fired. Mauve means a light purple color. Seeped in means came down from the sky to the surface of the water below. You loaded means is your gun ready with bullets. Dead on means hit the target perfectly. Below means rose up fast and in a growing number. Teal, a small wild duck. Banquet, flew with one wing higher than the other when turning. Blotting means blocking out the light. A flurry of bird calls means a number of bird calls at once in a very short time. Here goes means an expression to show that you are about to start doing something exciting or challenging. Safety clutch means a small part of gun which prevents accidental shooting. Buckshot means many small balls of metal fired from a shotgun. Pumped the gun empty means shot until all the bullets had been used up. Plummeted means fell very fast and suddenly. By instinct means in the way animals naturally behave without having to think or learn about how to act. Bulrushes means plants with tall stems that grow near river and lakes. The tide of teal means the large flock of wild birds, wild ducks moving together. Wheeling means flying around in circle. Maimed, injured so severely that a part of its body no longer worked as it should. Waddle means walk with short steps, swinging the body from one side to the other. Lopsided means not equally balanced. Defiantly bold means boldly refusing to obey. And you what means a way of expressing unpleasant surprise, a short form of what was it you said you did. So students, these are the word meaning of this chapter. So you write down these word meanings in your copy and learn it. Learn it properly. In this lesson, a man and his son are in a boat, not for sailing, but waiting expectantly with guns as if they are on a hunting trip. The man was teaching his son to shoot whatever will appear in the horizon. Now let's start our story. They will come from over there. The man pointed at a red volcanic hill. He and the boy Both had guns resting across their knees. They sat facing each other in a small, motionless boat with the oars tucked in. Are you ready? He asked his son. Yes. The explanation of this paragraph is: the father showed his son a red volcanic hill and said that they will come from over there. Here they means wild ducks. He said to his son, the wild ducks will come from over there. And so they were waiting for the ducks. They were sitting in small motionless boat because it was tugged with oars. Oars means a long pole making for small boats moving through water. Then his father asked the boy, are you ready? The boy replies, yes, Papa, I am ready. So students, now I am going to teach you second paragraph of this chapter. Our second paragraph is: they come in clouds, huge clouds, moving very fast. He moved his arm in a wide sweep, rocking the boat. You have to be quick, shoot fast. The boy ran his finger down the cold blue barrel of his gun. Minute by minute, the light changed on the flat surface of water. Orange, red, mauve seeped from the sky. It was late afternoon, a lake in wilderness. You loaded? Yes. The explanation of this paragraph is: then the man instructed the boy, the wild ducks will come in very large number and fast. So you have shoot them quickly, otherwise they will fly away. So the boy kept his finger at the part of a gun through which a bullet is fired. Meanwhile, they started shooting and the shadow of the firing fell on water. The color of light was orange, red, and light purple. Because it was evening time, the wild ducks were coming to their home, and the man and the father were killing them. And the father asked to his son, is you ready? Is your gun ready with bullet? And his son replied, yes, I am ready. So students, I have taught you these two paragraphs, and rest of paragraphs I will teach you in my next video. So learn the word meaning and read this explanation, and I will teach you in next video. So thank you.